So students, let's move to the next segment, paragraph 13. Einstein received the Nobel Prize of Physics in 1921. Nobel Prize, you know, this is one of the most renowned prize in the world in different sector that is given to the scientists and the people in different sectors who have done an exceptional work in their field. So in 1921 it was given to Albert Einstein for his great contribution in physics. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. Means after getting the Nobel Prize, Albert Einstein became one of the most famous personality of the globe, and he got invitation from different countries from all the world, and press also appreciated. Lauded means appreciated a lot about him. When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to United States. Nazis, you know, its head was Adolf Hitler, who was a dictator. When in 1933, Nazis came into power, this thing made Albert Einstein to emigrate from Germany to United States. Emigrated means to say if someone decide to settle down in any other country permanently by leaving his own nation, that is emigration. So he emigrated to United States in America. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. In an uproar means it made very upset, to make somebody very upset. So what exactly happened? 5 years later, means in 1933, he moved to United States, but just 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is a process when you can say the atomic bombs are prepared. How the atomic bombs are used, this process is called nuclear fission, and it was discovered by Berlin. Berlin means it is also in Germany, and it was a very upsetting news for the physicist, जो भी भौतिकविद थे, जो भी फिजिक्स के साइंटिस्ट थे अमेरिका के अंदर रह रहे थे, उनको सबको इसने बहुत अपसेट कर दिया. Many of them had fled from fascism. Fascism means to say this is also a kind of dictatorship that started by Mussolini. He was also a dictator, and because of this dictatorship, many scientists moved to America, and Einstein was also one of them. However, he moved to America after the dictatorship, when the dictatorship of Adolf Hitler started in Germany. Many of them had fled from fascism just as Einstein had. Einstein also went to America because of this dictatorship, and now they were afraid that Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. Means now they are very upset because Nazis have discovered the nuclear fission. They had the method of making atom bombs, और उनको ये डर सताने लगा that Nazis can use these bombs on other nation to destroy them. So that's why they were very upset. They were very worried. Moving to the last segment. At the urging of a colleague, urging means one of the colleague of Albert Einstein requested him. What he requested? To talk to the President of America. Einstein wrote a letter to the American president. American president, who was the president at that time? Franklin D. Roosevelt. He wrote a letter to Roosevelt, American president, on 2nd August 1939, in which he warned, उसने चेतावनी दी, he warned him, a single bomb of this type. This type means what? The bomb that was discovered by Nazis, that was discovered by Germany. He gave a warning that such kind of a single bomb exploded in a port, अगर एक पोर्ट पर भी गिरा दिया जाए, might very well destroy the whole port. It can destroy the total port, whole port, together with some of the surrounding territory. Not only the port, but surrounding territory can also be destroyed by using a single bomb. His words did not fail to have an effect. Whatever he wrote, whatever he urged to American president, his words worked very well. And what happened? What was the result of that? The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own. To counter such kind of attacks, America itself developed the atomic bomb in a secret project. It was not revealed to other people, other scientists. It was a secret project, and dropped it on Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. You know very well that during the Second World War, two cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, were badly destroyed by the Americans by using atomic bomb, atomic or nuclear bomb, you say. It destructed Japan badly. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. Whatever destruction, devastation happened in Japan, Einstein was shaken. वो हिल गए. What? Why? Because he was a human being, real human being. He was the man of all people. He was a person who was working for humanity, who was working for peace. That's why he was badly upset. This time he wrote a public missive. Missive means to say a letter that is specially written officially and written officially, and it is long enough. So he wrote a letter to United Nations. You know very well, United Nations, it was formed it was formed after Second World War, and it is now exists right now also. So in it he proposed the formation of a world government. In this letter, Albert Einstein advocated for a world government. World government means to say that all the nations should be on a single stage and should be governed by a single body. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. As I have told you that the first letter was written by Albert Einstein to Roosevelt, it had a great impact on him, and that's why America prepared a atom bomb. But this time there was no impact, but over the next decade Einstein got ever more involved in politics. In next decades, in following decade, he worked in politics, agitating for an end to the arms building and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने सिर्फ एक ही चीज की कि वर्ल्ड पीस के लिए काम किया. उन्होंने हमेशा इस चीज का एजिटेशन किया. ही ऑलवेज एजिटेटेड फॉर व्हाट? आर्म्स बिल्डअप. आर्म्स बिल्डअप, वो कभी भी हथियारों के साथ हथियारों के और ज्यादा पनपने को साथ नहीं देना चाहते थे. He was a democratic type person. When Einstein